The saw is getting one more upgrade, so I can add this rusty vinyl wrap. I'm gonna make a new bar for it. I cut out this vinyl one as a template. So make it out of poplar. Take this part off, put the wrap on there, put the wrap on here. Being a new saw, I didn't want to paint it. The old one, that was fine. It was just a pull-on, whatever. It probably cost me 140 bucks, I think. This one's a bit more expensive, so I'm gonna make the bar about 2 feet long. It was an 18-inch blade, now it's gonna be about 24 inches. That's from the end, right in here, all the way to the end. After putting this on and matching it up to the saw, I think I'm gonna go a lot longer. It's probably about another 5 or 6 inches more than 2 feet. Probably about a 30-inch bar. I think that'll look much more menacing. Being crazy long. The reason that I'm replacing it, not only for the size, but right here on these bars, it's kind of sharp. I don't think you'll cut yourself just doing that, but playing around, the kid happens to grab that or something. So, some wood, sand it down nicely after it's done. Piece of poplar, 48 inches long, a 1/4 inch thick. So the first thing I need to do is cut this. I think I'm going to use the whole width of the board. I might not even have to make that shape that the original has. I might just have to drill a hole for the bolt to go through. Big difference. That's a bit scarier. I'll just cut that with the jigsaw and then round it off with the sander, sand it all up. Set this right in the middle. I think I said this board was 4 inches, is 3.5. That's perfect. Drill a hole right there. And I'm going to come out with the jigsaw and go ahead and make the groove match that, because there is another bolt here that it rests on to keep it from flopping. There we go, I'll cut that out. I don't think I need this shape necessarily. We'll find out. 5/16 maybe. So it looks like I may have to round the corners a little bit to fit it in there. It's a bit crooked. So we'll see what we can do about that. I just noticed that the spinning might hit the wood right there, causing it to burn up. Maybe not. Maybe I will jigsaw that out. Wants to bend that way. I'm going to tighten it because all the pressure is being put right here. So I figured it must be due to this. The adjusting sprocket. Got a pretty good thickness on top. So I'm going to match that thickness with some washers. And I think that did the trick. Have a look. I mean, it looks like it's a little bit crooked right now, but it's really not. There, the saw is now straight ahead. So is the bar. I don't know why this video makes it look crooked, but it really isn't. Oh, that's more menacing. Yeah. Vroom, vroom. Now all that's left to do is sand it down so it has no sharp edges, which was the whole point of this. Get this off of there because it's got sharp edges. And then paint it. Well, I didn't take any video while I was painting the bar, but here it is. I basically just spray painted it black, then hit it with some silver acrylics, a little bit of gold on the very edge all the way around, just to give it some depth. A little bit of blood, of course. So we got red, black, silver, a little bit of copper. Looks better than a brand new saw. I'm probably going to put some more strips of scraps around here and on the front, just for match it all up a little bit. There's the bar.